Welcome to Asset Track. In the previous video, we learned how to create a business entity and add participants. Now we will understand how to design a distributed application. By now we understand that any digital assets lifecycle from start to end can be divided into different distributed applications, also called workflows. In our use case, the clothing lifecycle has two distributed applications. 1. Manufacturing of cotton shirts, and 2. Transportation of cotton shirts to a retail store. In our distributed application of manufacturing of cotton shirts, the manufacturing cycle has three business entities involved. Cotton producer, that is, the cotton farm. Cotton processor that turns raw cotton into fabric. Shirts manufacturer which turns this fabric into cotton shirts. Remember, for each distributed application, you can select only one asset category and one asset profile. To create a distributed application, click plus workflow. Enter the name manufacturing cycle. Next, select asset category as clothing lifecycle and asset profile as cotton shirt manufacturing from the drop-down. Enter the description as cotton farm to manufacturing of cotton shirts. Then click on Configure Sequence. Click on Start Node. Next, click Business Entity Node. Click on the plus icon to add a business entity. Enter details for display name as Cotton Producer and select Cotton Producer from the group name drop-down list. Click the Select Attributes tab. Select the attributes relevant to the cotton producer. Click Save. To add another business entity node, click on the existing node Cotton Producer. Next, click Business Entity Node. Click on the plus icon to add a business entity. Enter details for display name as Cotton Processor and select Cotton Processor from the group name drop-down list. Click the Select Attributes tab. Select the attributes relevant to the cotton processor. And click Save. Add another business entity node, that is shirts manufacturer, by following the above steps. Next, click Workflow Settings. Enter the start date and estimated end date of this workflow. Then simply click Save and Close. You have now successfully created the distributed application for the manufacturing of cotton shirts. This is how in a few simple steps you can design your distributed application. To learn more about Asset Track, visit dlassettrack.com.